Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7. Is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 12A of chapter 12, Simple Interest. One question is written here. Question number 10. Find the rate. Find the rate when principal equal to rupees 5,200. A size simple interest equal to rupees 975 and T time equal to 2 or 1 by 2 years. So here principal, SI and time are given. So 2 2 are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 years. 5 by 2 years. Here find, here given SI, P and T. Direct find R equal to SI into 100 by P into T equal to SI rupees 975 into 100, P equal to rupees 5,200 into time 5 by 2 years. So 5 in denominator and 2 multiplied by numerator. Now cancel 0 0 to 0 0. 52 divided by 2, 26. 975 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 9 minus 5 4. 4 and 7 47. 5 9 ja 45. 5 9 ja 45. 7 minus 5 2. 2 and 5 25. 5 5 ja 25. Now divided by 13. 1 time 13. 1 time 13. 9 minus 3. हाँ okay. 13 2 ja 26. 13 1 ja 13. 90 minus 13. 6 6 and 5 65. So 13 5 ja 65. 15 by 2% equal to 15 by 2% equal to 7 whole 1 by 2% per annum. Answer. Understand and write. Students, next question is question number 13. It is very important question. Hari borrowed rupees 12,600 from a money lender at 15% per annum. Simple interest. After 3 years, he paid rupees 7,070 and gave her God to clear debt. What is the cost of the God? Here P equal to rupees 12,600. R equal to 15% per annum. And after 3 years, T equal to T equal to 3 years. So find SI equal to P P into R into T by 100 equal to P rupees 12,600 into R 15% into T 3 years by 100. 00 to 00 cancel. Now multiply it. Rupees 126 multiplied by 15 3 is 45. So 126 multiplied 45. Multiplied 6 5 is 30 of 0 carry 3. 6 5 is 30 of 0 carry 3. 2 5 is 10 plus 3 13 of 3 carry 1. 1 5 is 5 plus 1 6. 6 4 is 24 of 4 carry 2. 2 4 is 8 to 10 of 0 carry 1. 1 4 is 4 plus 1 5. Right, and it add 0, 7, 6 and 5. So rupees 5,670. 5,670 rupees. Now find amount A equal to P plus SI equal to rupees P 12,600 plus rupees 5,670 equal to rupees, add them 0, 7, 6 plus 6 12 of 2 carry 1, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 5 18. 18,270 total amount, and cash rupees 7,070. 7,070. Therefore, the cost of goods equal to total amount 18,270. 18,270 minus rupees 7,070. 7,070 equal to, subtract it, 70 minus 70 0. 2 minus 0 2 and 8 minus 7 1 and 1. Rupees 11,200 answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 22. It is very important question for exam. A sum of money lent at simple interest, amount 2 rupees 783 in 2 years, and 2 rupees 837 in 3 years. Find the sum and rate. Students, amount means principal plus SI. Amount, principal plus SI. So amount P plus, here in 2 years, that means SI of 2, here SI of 3 years. SI of 3 years. Principal plus SI of 3 years equal to amount. It is equal to rupees 837. Next amount is here P plus SI of 2 years. P plus SI of 2 years equal to rupees 783. 783. Subtract both them. Minus, minus, minus and minus. Plus amount minus amount cancel. Plus P minus P cancel. SI of 3 years minus SI of 2 years equal to SI of 1 year. 3 years minus 2 years equal to 1 year. So SI of 1 year equal to 837 minus 783. 7 minus 3, 4, 3. 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 7 minus 7, 0. So rupees 54. SI of 1 year, rupees 54. Here amount of 2 years. So find the SI of 2 years. SI of 1 year rupees 52. So SI of 2 years equal to 2 into rupees 54 equal to rupees 108. SI of 2 years. Here SI. Now find principal equal to P equal to A minus SI equal to A. SI of amount of 2 years rupees 783 minus rupees 108 equal to subtract it. 13 minus 8, 5. 7 minus 0, 7. And 7 minus 1, 6. Rupees 600. Rupees 675. One answer. Second question. It is find the sum and rate. R equal to ASI into 100. ASI into 100 by P into T equal to ASI rupees 108 into 100 by P rupees 675. Into T, 2 years. T is 2 years. Now 2 times 54, 5 times or 9 times also. 9 6 is 54. It is 9 times. 9 7 is 63. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 and 5, 45. So 9 5 is 45. Now 25 times 25 3 is 75 and 25 4 is 100. 3 2 is 6 equal to 4 2 is 8% per annum answer. Understand and write it. Students, next and last question is question number 25. Divide rupees 3,600. Divide rupees 3,600 into 2 parts such that if one part be lent and at 9% per annum and the other at 10% per annum, The total annual income is 333. Let first part be rupees X. Let first part be rupees X. 3,600 divided into two parts. So let first part be rupees X and second part equal to rupees 3,600 minus X. Now P equal to rupees X, R equal to 9% per annum, T equal to annual income, so T equal to 1 year. Therefore SI equal to P into R into T by 100 equal to rupees X into 9 into 1 by 100 equal to rupees 9x by 100. Again P equal to rupees 3,600 minus X, R equal to 10%, per annum, T equal to 1 year. So SI equal to P into R into T. So P rupees 3,600 minus X into 10 divided by 100. 0 to 0 cancel, equal to 3,600 minus X by 10. So rupees 3,600 by 10 minus X by 10. 10 is the denominator of both number. 0 to 0 cancel, equal to rupees 360 minus X by 10. According to question, annual income be rupees 333. So annual income is at both rupees 333. 333 equal to 9x by 100 plus 360 minus x by 10. That implies 333 right, 9x by 100 plus 360 minus x by 10 equal to 333. That implies LCM 110 is 100. So 9x 10 divided by 10, 100, 10, 10 into x minus 10x equal to 333 minus 360. 333 minus 360 equal to 10 minus 3, result is in minus, 10 minus 3, 7, 10 minus 3, 7, now 5 minus 3, 2, so minus 27. That implies 9x minus 10x equal to minus x by 100 equal to minus 27. Minus to minus cancel. That implies x equal to 2700, sorry, equal to be 2700 answer. First part. And second part, 3600 minus x. So 3600 minus 2700. So rupees 900. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 12A. Thank you. That's all.